And for this problem, we are given this piecewise defined function that f of x is equal to x squared if x is less than -1, 2x if x is between -1 and 3, including both endpoints, and x plus 3 if x is greater than 3. And the question is to find the following quantities. So we'll take these one group at a time. F of -1. So f of -1 means I need to use the middle rule here because I see the equal sign here. So that's equal to 2 times -1 using the middle rule. And so that's equal to -2. The limit as x approaches -1 from above, f of x. So that's the limit as x approaches -1 from above. I'm approaching from above, and so if I'm approaching from above, that means I use the rule here for x is slightly bigger than -1. So that's the limit as x approaches -1 of 2x, and so that's going to be equal to 2 times -1, and once again, that's equal to -2. The limit as x approaches -1 from below. And so this time I use the rule that's coming from the left-hand side of x squared, because this is the rule that I use if x is less than -1. And so if I approach from -1, this is equal to -1 squared or plus 1. So I notice that the two-sided limit does not exist because the numbers in green and in red here are different. And so therefore, the function is certainly not continuous at -1 because the limit does not exist in the first place. So for a function to be continuous, the function has to exist, the limit has to exist, and these two lines have to be the same. Okay, so that's the first part. Second part, let me try to fold this over cleanly. Let's do the same kinds of questions. F of 3. So f of 3, and when x is equal to 3, again, because of the equal sign here, I use the middle rule. And so this will be equal to 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. For the limit as x approaches 3 from above, that's the limit as x approaches 3 from above. And the rule when x is above 3 is to use x plus 3. And so if I plug in 3, I get 3 plus 3, and that is equal to 6. The limit as x approaches 3 from below. If x is a little bit less than 3, then I use the middle rule here, when x is a little bit less than 3. So that'd be 2x. So 2 times 3, and that is also equal to 6. And so these two are the same, and therefore the double-sided limit is equal to 6. And from this, I conclude that this number is equal to this number, and so it is continuous at x is equal to 3. Even though it is piecewise defined, the pieces connect at 3. And so the function is indeed continuous at x is equal to 3.